Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide the likes from your Instagram posts. So Instagram just launched this new feature where you can hide your like counts from your Instagram. Maybe you don't want to be judged for the amount of likes. Maybe you don't want to present a false image or anything to your friends or even business partners. I think it's quite a nice feature. If you want to do it, you should be able to do it. But there is a catch. You are not able to set all your profile or your images to hide the like count. You have to do it one by one if you want to do it for all. But if you want to hide the like count for just for one image, then you can do that as well. So for example, I want to hide the like count from this post. As you can see, I have 72 likes. I can go to the settings here in the top right corner, and you will see the second from the bottom is hide like count. Just tap on it and it will hide all the likes. It hides for me as well. As you can see, it doesn't show it anymore how many likes it has, and for other people as well. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.